How to add or remove period key and dot key in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and click on Layout. After click on Layout, and you will see email addresses input, and you will see dot. If you want to remove period key and dot key from here, so you will see turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see period key and .com key is remove on Samsung keyboard. If you want to add period key and Samsung dot key, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see period key and .com keys add on Samsung keyboard. So you will add or remove Samsung keyboard dot period key and dot key from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove period key and .com key in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.